So I got home and these tires on Blue Thunder, I don't know if you can see that or not. Anyway, it's getting low. These tires are only like 7-8 months old, so they shouldn't be going low, but see the foam right there around the valve stem? That's where it's leaking. It's coming from this. So yours truly is about to fix it. Tearing this thing out of here. Ain't no pretty way to do it, just to snip at it until you get enough of it out to where you can just pull it through. There it is. It's the old one. Okay, so here's the thing. Before I can put the new one back in there, I gotta clean all that. Get the camera out the way, I gotta clean all that junk out. From there and from down here. All right. And of course I don't have very much, I don't have any brake cleaner left, damn it. Got that all cleaned out. Blow it out. So since I got it all apart, I'm gonna clean up the mating surfaces where the tire bead meets to the ram. Clean that up, make sure that seals up real nice. Right there. I mean, I figured the truck is how old and these have never been replaced and they wear out just like anything else. So I have to replace them, put new ones in. First thing you gotta do is take the cap off. New one. I have to get some oil. I got that right here. The hole is all clean and blown out, so just lube this bad boy up a little bit. Yep, just like that. And insert in through. See it coming up, but I can't get it all the way through, so I had to put this little adapter doodabber thing on here. Put that on there like so. That's looking mighty nice. Okay. Got my needle nose pliers. Take it like that. Pull it up. And it's in. Alright, pull that back off. Make sure it's seated real nice. Looks good down here. Looks good there. All right, let's put it back together. Oh yeah. That's good. Magic juice in there. Tires flat on the rim, real nice and easy. I think you do all that, but I want to. There. Now, fill her up with air. Sounds good. Oh yeah. Should get a pop here in a second. There's one. One more. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Come to pop. One more. Right there. Oh, I feel it. Look away. It's coming. Yeah, that's what I like. Check it one more time. We'll stick it back on the truck and call it good. I wonder if I should do the other tire too. I probably should. Because I've done the back two already. I did those before it got cold. I'm thinking I should do the left front tire. This part takes a while. Big tires, big air. Inspection time. See how it's not foaming? Like it's just soap in there, but it's not actually bubbling. I call that mission complete. Okay, that's good. Yes, my child. Yes. That one's good.